Multiple events were staged in New York City over the weekend, featuring intangible cultural heritage from East China's Suzhou. On Saturday night, Chinese artists presented various traditional art forms, including Suzhou-style embroidery and Kunqu Opera at the opening ceremony of the Suzhou Theme Day. The theme day was held together with a concert entitled Echoes of Ancient Tang Poems to celebrate the upcoming Chinese Lunar New Year. On Sunday, China Institute, a U.S. nonprofit organization dedicated to deepening the understanding of China, hosted artists from Suzhou in community events with around 500 participants. The events were warmly welcomed by local people.
我觉得不管是这边的小孩，还是上了一定年纪的，我觉得他们都很有兴趣，很喜欢。然后我在给他们就是表演演示的时候，他们也很认真，然后他们也很震惊，也很感谢有这么样的一些活动，让他们能够体验这种手工技艺。
因为我之前没有想到会有这么多的人报名来参加我们这次活动嘛，所以我今天也是挺震惊到的，居然会有这么多人对我们这个传统文化呀有这么高的兴致，包括他们每一个人就是拿到了我们的刺绣包之后，其实大家都是迫不及待的就打开来了，然后包括他们有很多的问题来问我们怎么做，所以我觉得还是非常开心的。
It's really, really exciting. The wonders of Kunqu, the wonders of Pingtan, the excitement that people feel as the Chinese New Year celebration begins to gear up was just palpable. I hear so many of our American friends saying how actually what they said to me was, James, what a privilege to be able to experience these truly genuine and authentic cultural wonders on this visit and this delegation from Suzhou.